Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing very well. I'm back again to cut staff about $2,905, and this cut staffing is going across for my fixed binder and my variable binder, which is the same as my bills and my daily envelopes. So we are going to do all these categories, cut staff them, so let's go. My name is Josie. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna cut staff the fixed binder first. Then we will go to the variable one, which is my daily. And on this channel, I do cut staffing, savings challenges, and I also do talk about my student loan about once a month. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So for my new subscribers, thank you. For my OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Now let's go ahead and do my bill binder. So for my bill binder, let's see, let me put it here so that you guys can see. Let me go ahead and arrange the money. 10, I already counted ahead of time, it's 2,900. So let me do this quick. Maybe I should have counted with you guys, but it's okay. Let me bring it here so that you guys can see the money. So for my mortgage, I'm doing 1,200, and it's a split bill, so I do 1,200 each time I get paid. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then next time I get paid, I had 1,200 and become 1,400. That's my mortgage for the month. For my debt, I'm doing 735. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For my debt, I'm doing 735. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And for investment, not this paycheck. For Apple One, I'm doing 40. For Kiss Insurance, I'm doing $100. For outgoing activities, I'm doing $100. So for outgoing activities, I'm doing $50. And this one is what I used to pay for my kids. They have a piano lessons that they go to. For electricity, no this time, home gas, no phone, no subscriptions, no internet, no. For my high yield savings account, no this time, rough, no. For car insurance, I'll do 50. Then miscellaneous, I'm gonna do 50. That's what I put my sister that I pay every month money to. Okay, so that's all for my variable expenses. So now that we are done with variable expenses, let's go ahead and do, that's all for my fixed expenses. So as you can see, these are all my fixed expenses. So now that we are done with the fixed expenses, let's go ahead and do the variable one. And this is the variable wallet. And that one can frustrate. That one, for the variable expenses, that's what is called variable expenses. It's not like fixed. It can go up and down. But me, I have a way that I've done it in such a way that I can limit what I put in the envelope so that it will keep me in my spending check. So for today, for allowance, I'm doing 20 for my allowance. I can decide to do 10 if I don't have a lot of money to cut staff. And for my allowance, I've been using it a lot. So for gift is the same as blessing for me in case somebody needs something, which I'm going to use it this week a lot. I have a baby shower I have to go to, and I'm going to buy stuff for the baby shower. For grocery, you always get $300 every paycheck. We used to do $250, if you guys have heard me talking about it, and we move it to $300. And now we have a balance in $300. So hopefully we can keep it that way. Gross prices are very high, but we are managing. For gas, I'm doing $50. For household, I'm doing $200. That's when we go to Costco or Sam's Club. I'm doing $200 for gas. For pet is getting $10. I have 2 pet Flash and Lucky, they are turtles. Then for the night is getting 10. For dining out is getting $10. For shopping is getting $10 this time. For clothing, no. For nails, I'm doing 10. I already have 10 in it, so I'm going to add it. For beauty, it's getting 20, and I already have. Then for miscellaneous, it's getting 20. I love my miscellaneous. I use it a lot. Okay, so that's all for my variable expenses. They are variables, so you cannot have them like fixed. At times they will go up, they will go down. And these are the two wallets that I cast off. Today we did do $2,905 in total for these two envelopes. My fixed expenses was about $2,250 and my variable expenses was about $680. So that's how I do my budget. When I get paid, I do my budget and I cast out these two envelopes. If this video was very helpful and it will better your budget, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And drop in the comment which category you often overspend when it comes to your fixed expenses and your variable expenses. Thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye-bye.